What's up, y'all? Welcome back. Oh my god, it's been a very long time that I haven't uploaded a nail tutorial. I haven't even uploaded like any vlogs. Like, it's been so long. I think it's been like a whole year that I haven't been on here. I mean, I have been uploading like shorts here and there on YouTube, but like an actual sit down nail tutorial, it's been forever, y'all. I have just been focusing on my Instagram and my TikTok, but nothing compares to YouTube. Like, I seriously miss YouTube, y'all. I miss my YouTube family, like my subscribers. Like, I'm so happy that none of y'all left and y'all are still supporting me. I'm still getting like the likes on here, the views, like even the comments. Like, y'all are just so amazing. The vibe on here is so much different compared to other social media platforms. Like, YouTube is like a whole family. Like, it's a vibe on here. Anyways, I wanted to catch up with y'all with everything that's been going on. I'm still at my suite. I'm still doing nails. I started a press-on business. I've been doing it for like a couple months now, and I've had quite success with it. I've had a few requests, and it's called Press and Slay. So if y'all are interested, I will link the Instagram down below for y'all. Anyways, so this set that I'm doing for y'all, it is going to be long duck-shaped nails. This person requested, they wanted Christmas nails, and they said that they didn't want red, which is perfectly fine with me because, y'all, I'm so sick and tired of seeing red. I have been doing red nails non-stop. Okay, so I was happy that she chose green. This set kind of reminds me of the Grinch set, okay? So the color that I used, the green that I used, it's D&D. It's called Deja Vu number 788. And then the green glitter is Who Hash from Nails by Dev. It's from her, the Nail Tech Who Stole Christmas collection. The base color that I use, it's like a nudish pink. It's also from Nails by Dev. I believe it's called Skinny Doll. It is perfect, okay? And it goes perfect with every color tip. Okay, you can do this green, you can do white, you can do black, red, yellow, orange, any color with this. And then she wanted some texture nails, so I did texture nails. And the way that I'm doing the texture nails now, y'all, is so different than what I normally do. Okay, I seen a video on TikTok on like how to do the texture nails, like the easier way. This girl did it, and y'all, this is so easy. It's literally 1 2 3 dot on the side. Take your brush and then you just swipe it down. No, before I was doing it totally different. I'm gonna do like a tutorial on that for you guys on how I normally do it compared to what I'm doing now. Like, look how easy that is. Okay, it's so freaking cute. But anyways, y'all, I am thinking about doing like a set schedule for YouTube, like uploading at least once a week, maybe twice a week, you know, just doing like the press-ons. Because like I said, I started my press-on business and I wanted to like show y'all how I do my press-ons. I can even like talk about how to set up a press-on nail business. If y'all are interested, like just let me know down in the comments. So, you know, maybe like once a week I can upload just me doing some press-ons and like chit-chatting with you guys, or like answering questions that you guys have in the video, you know. So just let me know. Anyways, I'm gonna let you guys enjoy the rest of the video, and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.